Vandag is jou kans. Wil jy saam speel? Daar is hoë pryse om te wen. Kom, neem 'n kans, speel saam en wen. Now, word of warning before we get started. You need to be quick to win some of my giveaways. So make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure that you click on the bell to get notifications. Otherwise, you may miss out. You need to be quick once again to win some of these giveaways. Now, you're going to want to watch the full video. There's a very large prize that I'm going to be giving away today. A whole bunch of small prizes and some large prizes. You're going to want to watch the full video to make sure that you play the game properly and win something during today's giveaway. Game in. Now, before we start the giveaways, I need to tell you that Udemy have changed the coupon codes that I'm allowed to give away. In the past, I used to give away thousands and thousands of coupon codes, but Udemy has restricted the number of coupon codes that we can give away. I think I've given away too many, so now they've restricted it. So please note that the giveaways will be restricted, and that's because of a policy change at Udemy. So first giveaway. 100 people are going to win access to the latest version of the Network Plus course. Kevin Wallace has updated his Network Plus course. So if you got access to the course previously during one of my giveaways, you'll have free access to the updated course. But 100 people are going to win access to Kevin Wallace's course today. Use this link to get access to Kevin's course. Game 2. Now, a lot of you have been asking for Blue Team courses, Blue Team books, Blue Team information, and I'm really happy to announce that I've once again teamed up with Todd Lammle. Todd is a famous author. You may know him as the author of these Cisco CCNA books. Todd has been in the industry for a long time, fantastic author. Really want to thank him for his support of today's giveaway. 10 people are going to win access to ccnp security books. 5 people are going to win access to the Implementing and Operating Cisco Security Core Technologies Pass Fast book from Todd. And 5 people are going to win access to the Securing Networks with Cisco Firepower Fast Pass book from Todd Lammle. Game 3. Todd not only is a great author, he's a great instructor. So really happy to announce that 5 people are going to win access to CCNP security videos and practice tests. So if you're studying for your CCNP Security Core Technologies or Firepower exam, Todd has you covered. His courses cover the material as well as the quiz questions that you need to help you prepare for the exam. So 5 people will win access to CCNP video courses with practice exams. Game feed. Now, I also want to give you content that I've created. So 1,000 people are going to win access to my Python for Network Engineers course. In the past, I've once again given away thousands of places to this course, but Udemy have restricted the number of people that I can give coupons to during a month. So 1,000 people will win access to my Python for Network Engineers course. If you want to learn about network automation, this is a great way to learn. I get a lot of great feedback about this course. Use this link to get access to the Python for Network Engineers course. Game Faith. Now, a lot of you are studying for your CCNA, or you want to become an ethical hacker. You need to learn networking. You need to have a foundational understanding of networking if you want to become an ethical hacker, as an example. You need to get your CCNA if you want to become a network engineer. Use this link if you want to get access to my CCNA course. First 1,000 people that click on that link will get access to my CCNA course. Game SES. Now, I really like Alpha network adapters. The team at Alpha have been kind enough to send me some additional adapters. So thanks to them for sending them to me. But it wouldn't be fair if I just got adapters and you didn't get access to any adapters. So what I'm going to be doing today is giving away 3 $100 Amazon e-gifts. That's enough money to buy a Alpha network adapter and hopefully get it shipped to you. So 3 people are going to win $100 Amazon e-gifts. Go and buy an Alpha network adapter. These are my preferred network adapters for ethical hacking. Alpha have a range of network adapters. I created a video, which I'll link here and below, which goes through various network adapters and shows you the ones that I prefer. There is good and bad with the various network adapters, advantages and disadvantages. But in my experience, I find that Alpha network adapters are really, really good. Game Seva. Okay, but last but not least, huge prize from Todd Lammle. If you want to be trained by Todd himself, here's your opportunity. In December, you can join his course and prepare for both the core as well as the firepower exams under the mentorship of Todd Lammle. This is a 10-day bootcamp. Now, I need to warn you that this is restricted to people in North America. The course will be running a North American time. So unfortunately, you need to be in North America to enter this giveaway. Use this link to enter to study under the mentorship of Todd Lammle. Fantastic instructor, fantastic author. I really want to thank him for his support during this giveaway. Now, if you want to get access to Todd's course, you can use the link below to get a $1,000 discount. So you can get access to the course not for the retail price of $3,995. It's actually going to be $1,795. So $1,000 discount off the current special that Todd is running. So if you want to prepare for your ccnp security exam, this is a fantastic boot camp that you can join under the mentorship of Todd Lammle himself. I'm hoping to bring you more and more live training. Let me know if you're interested in these types of live training sessions. Bosun have sponsored fantastic giveaways. Todd is sponsoring a fantastic giveaway. I've got some great news coming up next year. Expect lots of options when it comes to live training. Sometimes you just need the help of an instructor. Sometimes you just need an instructor to answer questions one-on-one. So I'm really hoping to bring you more options with regards to live training in 2022. Now, as always, I want to thank you for your support. I want to thank you for watching my videos. Please go out there and make a success of your life. Make the most of your time. Ignore the haters. Ignore the doubters. It's getting close to 2022. Not long, and then it'll be a new year. Don't wait to the 1st of January to make plans to change your life. Start now. What can you do from today till the end of the year to make your tomorrows better? Do something every day to make your tomorrows better. I'm David Bombal, and I want to wish you all the very best.